Okay, sorry about that. I didn't realize there was more to the packet than this. So there's a parentheses. The 2 blocks it. So again, I replace the parentheses with the capital H. Now again, H has a 4 in front of it, second power, and we got to add the 2 and then equal it out to 18. So then we go make our table so I can solve for the x. So I'm going to put 1x minus 3. Now remember again, the whole thing to get this h, first you get h to the second by itself, then you'll be able to get the h, okay? So you dot and circle, plus 2, so I minus 2, and that gives me to 16. Then I have that 4 there I need to divide by. Then after I divide, I know what h to the second is equal to. 16 divided by 4 is 4, okay? And then is 4 on that paper. What number times itself is 4? Well, here's 4, so that's 2. So h is 2, but it could also be negative 2. So I put that over here. So I dot and circle. So I plus 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. And then dividing by 1 keeps me at 5. So x equals 5. Plus 3. Negative 2 plus 3 is 1. Same as 3 minus 2. Just written different. So divide by 1, that keeps you at 1. So 5 and 1 are the 2 answers for x. Now the next problem, again, I'm blocked because the second power's there. So 3h to the second power equals 27. Okay, so my table. So I dot my h and circle it, and then I'm going to get h to the second by itself and h by itself. So I don't plus or minus, I go straight to divide. And 27 divided by 3 is 9, okay? So what number times itself is 9? It'd be 3 times 3, okay? Oops, I forgot. I got to bring the 1x plus 3 in here because that's what's in that parentheses. Okay, so what number times itself is 9? It's 3. So we could have 3 or negative 3. So I dot and circle. Then I minus 3. Now 3 minus 3 is 0. Divide by 1 keeps us at 0. Then I minus 3. Now it's negative 3 minus 3. So that'd be negative 6. And then divide by 1. Keeps it at negative 6. Okay, so again, those always end up with 2 answers. Okay, and then my next problem. Again, the block, so I bring in the capital H, 5 in front, to the second power, plus 2 equals 127. Okay, and then I bring my table, and I put 1x minus 4 equals 1x minus 4 equals, because there's always 2 possibilities with that second power. Dot and circle. So first I minus 2. So that would be 125. And then I have to divide by the 5. Remember, we're finding what the h to the second equals and what the h equals. So divide by 5. And 125 divided by 5 is 25. Okay, so what number times itself is 25? Well, let's look here. 25's here, so 5. But then when I go here, it could have been 5, but it also could have been negative 5. So I add 4, and 5 plus 4 is 9. Divide by 1 keeps it at 9. And then plus 4. Negative 5 plus 4 is negative 1. Divide by 1. and that makes us at -1. Okay, now final. This one has no blocks, so I go do the rainbows. 2 times 1x is 2x, minus 2 times 3 is 6, and then add the 6, and then equals 20. Now, this is the only x, so I dot and circle. So I got two things to undo, okay? Plus 6, but then I also have to minus 6, minus 6. Now, all that really does, because I'm adding 6 and subtracting 6, is takes me back to 20. So 2 times x equals 20. Divide by 2. And that takes me to my answer, 10. I don't need any work done here, okay? 10's the answer. You don't need to use the chart. You don't need to use a calculator. You have no second power. So there you go.